Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this newly reduced pool home for a client. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Alright guys, we're out here at 560 Agate Lane, north side, just above Acoma. This was recently reduced to $579, sits at the very end of a cul-de-sac. No junk around, all nicer houses. House next door looks like it's brand new. So you have a little gated side access. So being in a cul-de-sac is considered pretty desirable. The only downfall with being on the very end, as you can see, there's very little frontage, so the parking is a little hard to find. So you have some pretty decent side RV boat type parking. So it has a gate in the rear. This is being used as an Airbnb currently. All right, let's go on in and check it out. Alright guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath pool home built in 1994. 1,534 square feet. Again, sits on a bigger cul-de-sac lot, even though it doesn't have a lot of frontage. It's still just over 13,000 square feet. Nice big open living area. Plank tile floors. So again, this is being used as a active vacation rental, so I assume some of the furnishings could be available outside of escrow. Little slider out to the backyard pool area. So it has a nice sit-at kitchen up top with looks like a granite slab. Stainless appliances. Looks like they have natural gas connected. Nice kitchen island. Has vaulted ceilings. Your garage access and indoor laundry right out the kitchen. So this is a split floor plan, so you have the master on one side and the other 2 bedrooms on the other side of the house. There is a junior master suite on the other side of the house as well that makes up the 3rd bathroom. This is the master, pretty big size. So it has a wall safe, slider out to the backyard pool area. You have your master bath, dual sinks, quartz tops. You have a little walk-in shower. It's also a good size walk-in closet. There is a toilet behind this little stem wall and a door to access the garage. So on the other side of the house you have another bathroom, guest bath. Little pedestal sink with a quartz top. So at the front of the house you have the first guest bedroom, which is the junior master suite. Here's your little junior master. Has a little closet, same type of pedestal sink. A walk-in closet. There's your shower. So across the hall, the rear of the house, you have the second guest bedroom. Has some bunk beds, closet. All right, let's go check out the garage and the pool. So back off the kitchen, you have your indoor laundry, a little pantry area, and your garage access. So you basically have a 3-car garage. Didn't really put any dimensions, but looks like the deepest part's going to be 40 feet deep with 2 7-foot insulated doors. And then the middle door is approximately 12 feet high. So this door is your access point from the master. Your water heater, soft water. All right, so you have the backyard set up with a covered back patio, some ceiling fans. This does back to a wash to gives you some privacy from the neighbors behind you. There's some stucco erosion at these pillars from being like stucco to grade. And my understanding is they have the cool deck scheduled to be redone in the next couple weeks because it's roached. And also looks like the pool plaster is starting to pop up in some spots, which is not really a big deal. It's not going to make your pool leak or anything. It's more of an aesthetics thing, but it is popping. Here's the right side of the house if you're facing the front of the house. So it's a good amount of space back here. Also looks like there's some stucco damage at the corner here. They tried to repair. The wood definitely needs to be scraped and painted. They also have this like raised platform back here. I don't really see any power. Oh, there's a power outlet over there, so maybe you could put a hot tub up here or something. Looks like they did have plants or something up here at one time, as there's some irrigation abandonment. So there is a pretty decent lake view from this little raised platform, so that's probably what it's for. Again, it does back to a wash. Looks like the next door backyard is pretty rough. I don't know what they had going on back here. It looks like a wildlife refuge or zoo or something. Anyways, let's continue on. I can also see from my unprofessional opinion anyway that the deck roof is bowing and looks like it needs to be replaced. And I would be doubtful if that swamp cooler up there is functional, as they don't really last very long to begin with. Got a little shed, and here's your left side of the house, that when you're facing the house side of the yard. Definitely needs a little love on the gate. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Agate Lane. Again, this one was recently reduced to $579. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page or right below this video so you guys get the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.